see how to download Python. In Google, try to search Python download. Then you can find the first link which contains download Python from the website python.org. So click this one, you'll be taken to the site. Yes, this is the python.org/downloads, and here you can download the Python. Is the link to download the Python. The version is 3.8.2. This is for Windows. So try to download this one. So then after downloading, try to install it. So with this, the Python installation is over. Then you have to go for the Google and you have to search for the Anaconda. So this will help you in the graphical interface. So now after installing the Python, you go to Google and search Anaconda and click this link anaconda.com. So here for the Windows, you will get this one, and here you have to click the download. Then it will take to this page, and try to download the latest version. This is Python 3.7. We have downloaded already 3.8. So for this version, we can download Anaconda using Python 3.7, and depending upon your computer configuration, either 64 or 34-bit, try to download. So I have 64-bit, so I am downloading this one. Okay, so next install this Anaconda. So after installing the Anaconda, see here in the Windows, here you can see Anaconda 3. Okay, click this one. So here you have to choose Anaconda Navigator. So the same Anaconda Navigator, okay, you can see this. Yeah, this is the Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so here you will get this Jupyter notebook. Mostly you will use this Jupyter notebook. And another one thing, by default, some people won't have this Visual Studio Code. VS Code is nothing but Visual Studio Code. So for that, you can go to the Google and you can search Visual Studio Code download, and the first link code.visualstudio.com. So this link, I click this link and you will take to here. Okay, then here you can, for the Windows, based upon your configuration, either 64-bit or 32-bit, you can download it. So with this only we can able to do the Python programming. So first step is you have to download these things and make it install, and this is your Anaconda Navigator. From this only we are going to start whatever the programming we are going to learn in this YouTube channel.